Hey guys, Swapnil here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a closer look at the M1 iPad Air. So this is the 5th generation of the iPad Air, and this comes as an improvement over the 4th generation. So in terms of improvements, it comes with the new M1 chip, which was earlier released by Apple, which was there in the iPad Pros and some MacBooks. And it also gets a new camera, like in terms of the selfie camera. So the one which I have here is in the blue color. So as you can see around the box, the lettering in the iPad Air and the Apple logo are all blue. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So no more plastic shrink wrap around the device, or around the box rather. Now we have these tapes. So now that the tapes are off, let's remove the lid. So here itself is the iPad, looking good in blue color. We'll keep it to the side and we'll have a look at the accessories which we have. So here is the documentation. So we have our Apple stickers, 2 Apple stickers, some regulatory documents, as well as our quick start guide, which tells us about the controls and whatnots. Then we have our 20-watt Apple charger, and we also have our USB Type-C to C cable. So let's keep these things to the side and let's take a closer look at the iPad itself. Here is the iPad Air, and let's remove the plastic. So this is the iPad Air 5th generation itself. Looks really good, this blue color. It's not very dark as per se, like in some angles it looks like gray, but yeah, looks really good. I was expecting a little more darker kind of a color, but that's fine. So on the front we have the 10.9-inch display. On top we have the selfie camera. On the top side we have our speakers, but only one of them is a speaker, the one on the left, the microphone, the power button with the built-in TouchID. On the right hand side we have our volume rockers, place for the Apple Pencil. On the bottom again we have one speaker. This is just for show. Then we have the Type-C port. On the back we have our camera, our microphone, Apple logo, iPad Air branding, Pogo pin connectors, which acts as the smart connector for keyboards. On the left hand side we have nothing, and that's about it in terms of the overview. So I will just power it up, set it up, and be right back. So I have set up the new iPad Air, and let's go ahead and unlock it using the Touch ID. So as you can see, I was able to unlock it using the Touch ID feature, which is similar to the one which they had in the previous iPad Air. Let's go ahead and play some music on YouTube. So here's my channel. Let's go ahead and play the OnePlus 9 Pro unboxing. Let's take a look at the SIM card tray. So I've already popped it out from the bottom part here. This is of course a dual SIM phone with the SIM cards going on the parallel sides, one on the opposite side and one on this side. So let's put this tray back. Also, let's go ahead and click some pictures, as the camera is one of the major highlights of this phone. So as was the case with the previous iPad Air, the speakers are still, as I already mentioned, the ones on the bottom if you hold it in this horizontal manner. So this one and this one right here, the top 2 speakers are non-functional. They are just for design aesthetics, or maybe just making it appear as if it's the iPad Pro, right? So other than that, let's take a look at the front-facing selfie camera, which has also been changed. So as if you go into the video, so you can see that there is this option to go into the wide angle mode. So now it's in the wide angle mode, as you can see. Earlier we did not have this feature with the iPad Air 4th generation. So maybe I can just bring it up and show it to you. As you can see, we don't have that option here at all, so that's one of the changes. So initial impressions, this does feel very similar to the iPad Air 4. Probably when I start gaming or doing some tasks on this is then when I would realize the kind of difference which the M1 brings to the table. And the good thing is that Apple has also upgraded the RAM, so now it's at 8 GB I believe. Earlier it was 4 GB, so that's something which I'm looking forward to try as well. And we'll be making more videos on this device, some cases, accessories, maybe even a full review, and some keyboard accessories from Logitech. So I've been using that with the iPad Air 4, but I did not make a video about it, but probably in this case I would. And with that, probably that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did so, feel free to hit the thumbs up button down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Twitter and other social media platforms, links to which would be in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video where I would be talking about the cases and accessories. Thank you so much.